Hi everyone, I'm Austin. Today, I'm here to share some useful tips on how to make the most of your visa-free transit policies during your trip to China. In December 2024, China updated its visa-free transit policies for foreign nationals. There are 24 provinces and 60 exit-entry ports where you can use the visa-free transit policies. These regions cover the very best of China, offering incredible scenery and cultural experiences perfect for exploring. Right now, travelers from 54 countries can use the visa-free transit policy. You can check the table on the right for more details. You can also check this world map to understand the 240-hour visa-free transit policy. Light green areas represent countries eligible for the 240-hour visa-free transit policy. Dark green areas represent countries eligible for both the 240-hour visa-free transit policy and visa-free stays over 15 days. Orange areas indicate regions where the policy allows tourism, while red areas show regions where tourism is not permitted under the 240-hour visa-free transit policy. For the 240-hour visa-free transit, your stay starts at midnight the day after you arrive. For example, if you enter China on January 1st, you must leave by 23:59 on January 11th. To use the visa-free policy, all you need is a passport valid for at least 3 months and a confirmed ticket to a third country or region before you leave China. For example, if you fly from Los Angeles to Beijing and then from Shanghai to Japan, you can easily make use of the visa-free transit. China has 34 provincial-level regions, and with this updated policy, you can freely travel across 24 designated areas. In 10 days, you'll be able to explore some of the most stunning and iconic destinations in China. You can check the map to see the marked areas, which will give you a clear idea of each region's location and how they connect. Now, I'm going to introduce 5 carefully planned travel routes, each offering its own unique highlights and experiences. Plan 1, Urban Splendor, explore modern and traditional China. This plan takes you to Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen, China's 4 biggest cities where history meets modern life. In Beijing, China's capital, step back in time as you visit the magnificent Forbidden City, climb the awe-inspiring Great Wall, and stroll through the historic hutongs to experience the charm of old Beijing. In Shanghai, walk along the famous Bund, admire the European-style buildings, and head up the Oriental Pearl Tower for stunning views of the city's modern skyline, a perfect mix of East and West, old and new. Down south in Guangzhou, the home of Lingnan culture, savor authentic Cantonese dim sum, take a relaxing Pearl River night cruise to see the city lights, and visit the ancient Qin Clan Academy alongside the futuristic Canton Tower. Finally, in Shenzhen, China's Innovation Center, explore the window of the world, where you can see miniature versions of global landmarks, and take in the youthful energy of this fast-paced, modern city. This 10-day plan is a perfect mix of China's rich history and its vibrant, modern cities, giving you a taste of cultural contrasts, local flavors, and the exciting blend of tradition and progress. Plan 2, a journey through historic cities and Bashu charm. This plan takes you to Beijing, Xi'an, Chongqing, and Chengdu, where you'll dive into China's rich history, cultural treasures, and amazing food. In Beijing, China's ancient capital, explore the Grand Forbidden City, climb the famous Great Wall, and visit the beautiful Temple of Heaven and Summer Palace to admire centuries-old architecture. In Xi'an, once the capital of 13 dynasties, see the incredible terracotta army, ride a bike along the ancient city wall, and enjoy local favorites like Yengru Paoma, crumbled bread in mutton stew, and Rujiamo, Chinese burger, in the lively Muslim quarter. In Chongqing, known as the Mountain City, marvel at the glowing lights of Hongya Cave, ride the Yangtze River cableway for stunning views of the rivers and hills, and warm up with a bold and spicy Chongqing hot pot, a must-try dish here. Finally, in Chengdu, the relaxed land of abundance, visit the giant panda breeding research base to see adorable pandas up close, stroll through the charming wide and narrow alleys, and sample famous local dishes like Dan Dan noodles and Long Chaos Ho, Sichuan-style wontons. This 10-day trip is the perfect mix of ancient history, stunning scenery, and the unique charm of Sichuan and Chongqing, giving you unforgettable memories of China's culture, landscapes, and mouth-watering flavors. Plan 3 Misty Jiangnan journey through classical gardens and cultural charm. This plan takes you to Shanghai, Nanjing, Suzhou, and Hangzhou, showcasing Jiangnan's serene elegance and rich culture. In Shanghai, stroll along the Bund to admire European-style architecture and the dazzling skyline from the Oriental Pearl Tower, explore the tranquil Yu Garden, and savor local delights like Xiaolongbao. In Nanjing, cruise the Qinhuai River at night, visit the majestic Sun Yat-sen Mausoleum and the ancient Ming Shaolin Tomb, and taste signature dishes like salted duck. In Suzhou, famed for its classical gardens, explore the elegant humble administrator's garden and stroll through the historic Pingjiang Road to enjoy canals and lantern-lit alleys, while trying local specialties like sweet and sour mandarin fish. Finally, in Hangzhou, sail across the breathtaking West Lake, sip fresh dragon well tea at Longjing Tea Village, and visit the serene Lingyin Temple and Feilai Peak. End your journey with a taste of West Lake vinegar fish and dompa pork. This plan offers a perfect blend of classical gardens, timeless water towns, and cultural treasures, letting you experience the elegant charm and poetic beauty of Jiangnan's most iconic cities. Plan 4 Scenic Wonders and Ethnic Charm Adventure. This plan takes you through Guilin, Guiyang, Chongqing, and Chengdu, offering stunning natural beauty, colorful minority traditions, and unique urban charm. In Guilin, cruise the picturesquely river, where karst mountains reflect on clear waters, visit the iconic Elephant Trunk Hill, and explore the Longji Rice Terraces, a cascading rural masterpiece. In Guiyang, marvel at the thundering Huangguashu Waterfall, Asia's largest, and visit the Shijiang Qianhu Miao Village, where stilted wooden houses showcase Miao culture with its vibrant costumes and flavors like sour fish soup. Moving to Chongqing, the mountain city, you'll admire the glowing lights of Hongya Cave, ride the Yangtze River cableway for stunning aerial views, stroll through Sikiku ancient town, and enjoy the city's famous spicy hot pot. Finally, in Chengdu, spend time with giant pandas at the Giant Panda Breeding Research Base, wander the lively wide and narrow alleys to savor dishes like Dan Dan noodles, and explore the historic Wuhou Shrine to experience the legacy of the Three Kingdoms. This journey through Guilin's green landscapes, Guiyang's ethnic villages, Chongqing's dynamic cityscape, and Chengdu's relaxed charm creates an unforgettable blend of nature, culture, and culinary delights. Plan 5 Northern Splendor A journey through history and winter charm. This plan takes you to Beijing, Tianjin, and Harbin, offering a perfect blend of ancient grandeur, European-style elegance, and magical snow-covered wonders. In Beijing, China's historic capital, you'll explore the majestic Forbidden City, climb the awe-inspiring Great Wall, and visit the beautifully designed Temple of Heaven in Summer Palace. Wander through hutongs, savor iconic dishes like Peking duck and zhejiang noodles, and immerse yourself in the city's rich cultural atmosphere. In Tianjin, a city with a unique mix of Chinese and Western influences, stroll along the elegant Wudadeo and Italian-style town, where European-style buildings transport you back in time. Visit Ancient Culture Street for traditional handicrafts and snacks like gubili baozi and shibaji mahua, then ride the Tianjin Eye Ferris wheel for stunning nighttime views of the sparkling Hai River. Finally, in Harbin, the Ice City and Winter Wonderland, experience the incredible ice and snow world, where illuminated ice sculptures create a fairy tale landscape. Stroll down the historic Central Street, lined with Baroque and Gothic architecture, taste the famous Madier ice cream and Russian cuisine, and admire the grandeur of St. Sophia Cathedral, a testament to Harbin's rich cultural blend. Don't miss winter fun on the frozen Songhua River, where activities like ice slides and skating offer unforgettable moments of joy. This plan takes you from Beijing's ancient imperial heritage to Tianjin's charming modern history, ending in Harbin's breathtaking ice and snow wonderland. It's a journey that beautifully combines history, culture, and the magical charm of winter in northern China, leaving you with lasting memories of its splendor. Through this guide, you'll discover how to make the most of China's 240-hour visa-free policy and embark on a colorful and unforgettable journey. From skyscraper-filled modern cities to the poetic water towns of Jiangnan, from majestic ancient capitals to breathtaking natural landscapes, each travel plan has been carefully designed to showcase the most iconic and enchanting sides of China.